Leak checking again, no dye needed. First thing we did, which I didn't show in the video, is pressurize the system with nitrogen. It's probably right around 200 psi's. Listened for any sounds of leaking. Heard leaking inside near the bottom evaporator on this unit. Looked at the bottom evaporator, saw some oil next to it, so went and sprayed some bubbles. You can see the bubbles in one of the clips here, and there's the leak. Got with the manufacturer, since it's under warranty, ordered a new evaporator, and we'll get them up and running ASAP. No dye needed. High PSIs always win.